All right, everybody. So right now I'm going to do a review of one product which I ordered from the Amazon after watching some reviews on the internet. So this is a washer's vacuum cleaner. This is the product, and I have been cleaning my car since morning, and I'm all sweaty right now. Why I'm speaking in English, I do not know why. So, but just if you want to watch it in some other language, just go into the YouTube setting and change it to your specific language. And yeah, now let's go back to the reviews part. So this is the product, washer's vacuum cleaner, and this comes with the power socket like this. So this is your what do you say, smoker's plug type powered vacuum cleaner. And with this you get this one brush sucker as a necessary. So if it is dirty, so just start it and go through the part, and it will suck all the dirt whichever comes in the contact. And when it comes to the larger part, so once you get all the larger part in corner, just remove this part and suck all the large part from this extension. And this extension is also removable, so if you just pull it out, it will come off from this part. Right now it is tight, so I cannot remove it from one hand. And then this is one extension, another extension cord, plastic pipe, to extend it all the way in to the unreachable areas where your vacuum cleaner cannot go. And yeah, and from here you can remove this vacuum cord as well, something like this. And or you can see all these dirt parts which are stuck in. Some of them are not going into the dirt area chamber. And let me show you the dirt area chamber. So in order to remove this dirt area chamber, let me just focus it a little bit. Okay, so in order to open this dirt area chamber, you have to just press this orange button, and you can just push it back and it will come out. None of the dirt part will fall off from this dirt area, because there is a mechanism right here which stops all the dirt from coming out from this dirt chamber. Actually, after some time it will bend, so it's not like a foolproof solution. So it will come, dirt will, after some time the dirt will start coming off as it bends. And in this dirt chamber also you get a filter. So this is how you can remove the filter. And this is a plastic cover of the filter, so you can like easily replace the filter. Right now I have no idea if spare air filters are available in the market. Let me just put this air filter right here, and I will dump all the dirt out. So this is not a lot of dirt, so I have just cleaned the trunk and the front part. Under the seat I have to clean it now, so I will show you how it cleans. So I have kept it dirty as of now. So yeah, this is the dirt chamber. So you can see some of the dirts are stuck in the mechanism, which does not let the air the dirt particles out. So yeah, after some time it will be like that, so dirt will start coming off. Now this is the air filter. There is a locking mechanism here. So this is the plastic cover for the air filter. So when you twist it anti-clockwise, so this cover will come off, and this is the air filter. So air filter doesn't come out. Okay, so this part I have to check in the internet whether this part is available. So if you have some air blower or something, so you can blow air from this side, and all the dirt part which are stuck in here, it will go like blow out. And one more time you can use it. So as of now this is the first time I'm using it, and this is how dirty it got, and this is how it looks when it is clean. So in the inside this is how it is clean. It was like this from the outside, and right now this is the condition from the outside also. So air goes in from this side and comes in from this direction. Okay, so this is the air filter. I will clean it now. This is the main unit. This is how it sucks in. Okay, so right now I turned it off again, and this is how it sucks the air. So it sucks the air from here, and it throws the air from this direction towards me, from where I'm holding this device in my hand. So when I turn it on, you can feel the air flowing in your hand. Alright, so yeah, this is the all about the things which you get in the box, and there's one more item in the box which you get to clean the AC vents. So you get this bag as well, and you get this small brush in the package. It is not focusing as of now because I'm all sweaty and my sweat is falling on the screen, so it is not focusing. Okay, so now let me just clean this air filter and show you how this thing cleans. Okay. Alright, so before I start cleaning this part, let me show you how it is as of now. So this is how it looks as of now, and same like it was like this on the other side as well. So this is how it is clean. I'm still not able to reach that part. I will clean that part again, and let me start. Let me turn on this vacuum and start recording from one hand and start cleaning from the other. So if my voice is not audible, just please bear with me, okay? Okay, so from this angle the light is also coming. Let me just start sucking. Okay, so as I go through all this dirt, so the brush is making sure the dirt gets released from the carpet, and through this hole all the dirt gets sucked in. So the heavier parts doesn't get sucked in. So for the heavier part you have to make sure you remove this brush extension from this plastic extension and suck it through this plastic extension. And yeah, this is how you can clean all this. So as of now I'm not going deep, and let me just keep cleaning it. So it's not like it's one go, you have to go through the same part multiple times, then it will be like a job well done type of thing. Alright, so it came off. Let me just fix it back in. So yeah, it's not like it's a super tight thing. There is no mechanical lock thing. It's like slide in, slide out. So if you apply extra pressure, so it will it will come out. So as you can see, this is the small piece of rock. It is not getting sucked in by this extension. So once I remove this thing, so this right here, this is this small rock. As I remove this and go through this, now that rock got sucked in, and again you have to put this airbrush accessory again and start cleaning it. So yeah, let me turn off this thing. So yeah, as you can see, the area which I cleaned, not there deep inside. Deep inside I will go again and clean it. So right now this area where I moved my brush, you can easily see the before and after. I will put the screenshots side by side. You can easily compare how this accessory is working. So overall experience with this accessory, it's a good tool, worth the money which it comes, and the output it provides. So it's a decent product, and if you are interested in the same product, you can find the link in the description box, and you can use this tool to clean your cars or some of your electronic accessories like your PC and something if you are having it in your home. So for the PC and all, this power plug will give you some issues, but yeah, there are other vacuum cleaner with 2-point power plug, which can easily you can put it in your socket room. So my storage was full, so yeah. So as of now I have 950 subscribers, 50 more to go. Okay, so yeah, this is it. This is all about this video. This is the short review of the vacuum cleaner. Alright, so this is the really short review of the vacuum cleaner which I just purchased, and yeah, this is it. This is all about this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.